Everyone, in the last video we have solved short questions of polynomials. Today we will see LQs of chapter polynomial. So the first important question is, draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. So you have to draw the graph of this polynomial and you have to find the zeros from the graph, right? So let y is equals to p of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so how we will take, let us take different values for x and y, this x and then y. So I'll take it as minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For these many values of x, and we have to find out the values of y. So how we will solve all these questions? We'll in the place of x, we'll substitute minus 4. In the place of x, we'll substitute minus 3. In the place of x, we'll substitute minus 2. So let us start from the first number, p of minus 4. So p of minus means minus 4 whole square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus, 4 4s is 16, plus into minus minus, 4 2s are 8, minus 3. So 16 minus 8 minus 3, minus 8 minus 3 is minus 11. So your answer will be what? 16 minus 11 is 5. So your value of y is what? 5. Next, p of minus 3. Sorry, yeah. Next is p of minus 3. P of minus 3 means minus 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 3. Minus 3. 3 3 is a 9. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 2 3 is a 6 minus 3. So minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So this is 0. Next, p of minus 2. Minus 2 whole square plus 2 of minus 2 minus 3. 2 2 is a 4. Minus into minus plus. 4 minus into minus plus into minus minus. 2 2 is a 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is how much? Minus 3. Next, p of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. 1 1s are 1. Plus into minus minus. 2 1s are 2 minus 3. So 1 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So your answer is minus 4. So the value of p of minus 2 is what? Minus 3. And next is minus 4. Next, p of 0 means in the place of x you have to substitute 0. 0 square plus 2 into 0 minus 3. So 0, 2 into 0 is 0 minus 3. So your answer will be minus 3. P of 1. P of 1 means 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 3. 1, 2 1s are 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is anyhow 0. So this is also 0. So p of 2. P of 2 means 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So here is 5. Next, p of 3. P of 3 means 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6 minus 3. So 9 plus 6 minus 3 is plus 3. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. P of 4. P of 4 means 4 square plus 2 into 4 minus 3. 4 4s are 16. 2 4s are 8 minus 3. 14 plus 16 plus 8 how much? 24. 24 minus 3 is what? 21. This is 21 and here is 12. So we got the value of all y. So we are having the value of x and we are having the value of y. Next, what we have to do? We have to draw these points on the graph. I'll show you one graph. So this will be your x-axis. This will be your y-axis. You have to draw this on the graph paper, but I am showing on this paper. So this should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the positive signs should be on the right side. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. This should be on the left side. Again on top positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Okay, and while drawing the map, always while drawing the maps you have to draw the scale. Okay, in your map paper, on the graph paper, it will be there. On x-axis, if you are taking 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, you have to write 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis, what measurements you are taking, that also you have to write 1 centimeter is equals to 4 units, suppose if you are taking it. So like that you have to mention. Okay, now see here, what is your first point? Your first point is minus 4 comma 5, right? So minus 4 comma 5, so minus 4 is here, and where is 5? Minus 4 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis, right? So here minus 4 and 5 means the point should be here. Okay, the point should be here, right? This is 5 and this is minus 4, so this will be a point, the first point. Next is minus 3 and 0. Minus 3 and 0 means next point is on the axis, because minus 3 comma on y it is 0. Next minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 3 means here, right? So your next point will be here. Okay. What's the next point? Minus 1 comma minus 4. So here at the place of joining the 2 points. Next 0 comma minus 3. So on minus 3 is the next point. Next is what? 1 comma 0. So here is the next point. And the last point is what? 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. So on the x-axis it is 2 and on the y-axis it is 5. Okay. So freely you have to join all the points. Don't lift your pencil or pen. You have to just draw it very freely. A free curve should be drawn. So this is nothing but your graph. Okay, and where you are finding zeros means on the axis which you are getting, no, that is nothing but your 0 of the polynomial. Minus 3 comma 1 are zeros of the polynomial. Getting? Like this you have to draw the graph of the polynomial. I'll attach a few examples, important questions of graphs of polynomials like this, so you can practice that questions. Those are the very important questions. I'll just attach all the question and the solution with this. So what you have to do for finding the value of y, you have to substitute in the place of x, you have to substitute in the equation and you have to get the value of y. Okay, similar questions I'll attach after this question. Yes, let us solve, see the multiple choice question for the polynomials, the most important one. The degree of the polynomial p of x is equals to 3x cube plus 0, x power 4 plus 0 into x minus 2x power 4 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3 or 4. But in the polynomial you can see p of x is equals to 3x cube. So here cube is nothing but the degree of the polynomial. So your option is C. The coefficient of x cube in the polynomial 2x square minus 5x cube plus 6x square plus 5. What does the coefficient say here? A is minus 5, B is 5, C is 6, D is 2. So here the coefficient of x cube is nothing but 5x cube. So that's why it is, the coefficient is what? 5. Next, if the polynomial p of x is equals to x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 1 is divided by x plus 1, then the degree of the question polynomial is. Here the polynomial is of degree 4, but when we are dividing with x plus 1, so that one degree will be reduced. Yes, so the degree of the question polynomial will be what? X power 4 by x is nothing but x cube, right? So the degree will be 3. B, option B. if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 5x plus k and alpha minus beta is equals to 3, then the value of k. So for this you need to find the relationship between the polynomials. In this question you have to find out the relationship, right? You know the sum of the zeros is b by a and product of the zeros is c by a. So here sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta is equals to what? B by a, right? So what is b here? 5. A is 1, right, in the polynomial, and then they have already given in the question alpha minus beta is equals to 3. So by this if we solve it, 2 alpha is equals to 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are, so the value of alpha is 4, and product of the polynomial is equals to what? C by a, but in the equation what is C here? K. So k, right? So we need to find beta also. So we know alpha, so 4 plus beta is equals to 5. If I am sending that side, beta is equals to 5 minus 4, which is equals to 1. So here 4 into 1 is equals to k. So the value of k will be equals to what? 4. So your answer is what? D, 4. Okay. See, in the next question, p of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 5. So if we substitute 1 in that equation, 1 square minus 4 plus 5 is 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 is how much? 2. So your option is D, 63. From the graph, the zeros of the polynomial are. Your options. So your options are, you can see on the axis how many numbers are there. Minus 2 is there, 0 and 2. So the zeros of the polynomial is minus 2, 0 and 2, means all of the above. Okay. So in the next question you see, if the polynomial p of x is equals to x cube minus x square plus 3x plus k is divided by x minus 1, the remainder obtained is 3. Then the value of k is. So here, so the answer will be 0 because we got the remainder as 3, right? Next question number 65, the number of zeros of the polynomial whose graph is given below. So on the graph you are able to see 0 is there and 2 lines are touching. So what are the zeros we need to find out here? So your options are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So how many numbers of zeros are there? How many times the line is touching? 1, 2 and 3 times. So that's why it is D, 3. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is. Sum of the zeros is b by a. So what's the form? What is b here? Minus 2. So here minus 2, 2, 1 and 4. So sum of the zeros is what? Minus 2 minus b by a, right? So minus into minus plus. So plus 2. So your options will be B. The graph represented by y is equals to x. How the graph will be? So y is equals to x they are saying. It means it should be on the 0, 0. So the graph should be C. The quadratic polynomial having 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 as its 0 is. So x square minus 5x minus 1 by 6, because we are having the number 3 and 2. So 3 2s are 6, right? And it is a positive number. So your option will be C. The coefficient of x power 7, the polynomial 7x power 17 minus 17x power 11 plus 27 x power 5 minus 7 is x power 7 polynomial. Are you able to see x power 7 here? No. So that's why there is no coefficient for x power 7. So it is 0, means B. The following is the graph of a polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial from the given graph. Simply whatever the points which are touching on the axis are nothing but zeros of the polynomial on x axis. So minus 2 and 1 are nothing but the zeros of the polynomial. That is option C. 71. Observe the following graph. Which of them are the graphs of a quadratic polynomial? So you can observe in the first one, y is equals to f of x is there, y is equals to p of x is there on the third one. Second one, y is equals to g of x, and fourth one is y is equals to q of x. So your option is, you can directly, by seeing the graph, you can say that which is a quadratic polynomial, the curved one. So 1 and 4 are nothing but the graph. So in the option C, 1 and 4. 72. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by 3 is 2 and 3. Sorry. So it is x square minus 5x plus 6, because we are having all the zeros in the form of plus 2 and 3, right? Next, which of the following is a polynomial with only one zero? P of x is equals to, we are having the equation. In the first equation, we'll be having 2. In the second equation also, you'll be having 2. In the third equation, P of x plus 2x plus 3 means here you'll be having 1 0 of the polynomial. Fourth one, observe the rectangular figure, then its area in the polynomial function x plus 3 and 10 minus 6. You know the formula of a rectangle, area of the rectangle. So you know the formula of a rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So it is nothing but x square plus 7x plus 30. So your option is B, minus x square plus 7x plus 30. The product of the zeros of the cubic polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. So anyhow, product of the zeros is C. Product of the cubic polynomial is minus d by a. So here d is nothing but minus into minus plus 14 by 2, that is nothing, sorry, 8 by 2, that is nothing but minus 4. Okay. The zero of the polynomial 5x minus 6 is 5x minus 6 is equals to 0. If you are sending 6 that side, it will be plus 6. So x is equals to 6 by 5. Option B. If p of x is equals to 3x square minus x minus 4, then p of minus 1. So 3 of minus 1 means 3 minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. So your option is B. The value of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 2x plus 3 at x is equals to minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1, minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So your option is C. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.